Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of coding with one of the most powerful tools for developers, PyCharm. If you are just starting your coding journey or looking to take your programming to the next level, PyCharm is a fantastic editor to have by your side. It's designed to make writing and debugging Python code easier, faster, and more efficient. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to download and install PyCharm so you can get started on your coding project right away. Let's get started. Step 1 is to install Python, which is essential to run code in Python. After installing Python, we will move on to installing PyCharm itself, which is our main code editor. Once both are installed, in step 3, we will connect Python with PyCharm to ensure they work seamlessly together. Finally, we will run our first program on PyCharm to make sure everything is set up perfectly. Let's dive in. So to download and install Python, we will first go to the official website, which is python.org. On the site, we will see a download button. When I hover at download button, a pop-up window appears showing the latest version for my operating system. Since I'm using Windows, it shows the download for Python version Python 3.13.0. If you're using Mac operating system, it automatically detects that and display the Mac version. I will go ahead and click the download button and it will begin downloading. Once the downloading is completed, I can check the file location by selecting Show in Folder. When I click on it, from there, I will double click the file to start the installation. When I double click, this opens a window labeled Installed Python 3.13.0 with two options. The first one is Install Now and the second is Customize Installation. Before selecting Customize Installation, I will make sure to check two important boxes including Add Python.exe to path, which is necessary. Then I will click on Customize Installation and it will automatically takes to the next window and then click Next again. And now in the following window labeled Advanced Options, I will make sure to select Install Python 3.13 for all users. Then I will proceed by clicking Install and to start final installation. When I click Install button to start, then user account control pop-up window will appear asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will click Yes to confirm and the installation process will continue. A window will message setup will successfully when our setup will be installed. So it will take few seconds. After that, it will show a message that setup was successfully installed. Now, a window with message setup was successfully will appear confirming that Python has been installed successfully. So I will click on this close button. Now to verify the installation, I will click on the search bar with start button and I will type CMD. When I type CMD, option of command prompt will appear. I will click on it. When I click, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up window, I will type Python in lowercase, then space, then hyphen hyphen, and then version. After typing this one, I will press enter. When I press enter, Python 3.13.0 will be displayed. Python 3.13.0 means that Python is successfully installed along with the version number. And now I'm going to close this window. And after that, I will type again IDLE. When I write IDLE, the option IDLE Python 3.1413 will be displayed. When I click on it, IDLE shell will open. And in this shell, I will write print in lowercase and then parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I will write double quotation mark, and in this double quotation mark, I will write hello, and I will press enter. You will see that hello word is displayed, confirming that Python is successfully installed. To save this, I will click on the file option, and when I click on it, we have different options. I will choose the option save as. When I click save as, a pop-up window will appear and I will choose the desktop. And after that, to save this file here, I will write the name of this file, which is first. After writing first, I will click on this save button. The program will automatically find the correct extension, and you will see that first.py program, which is the Python program, is saved on this window. But now I'm going to talk about how to download PyCharm. After install Python, we will open a web browser like Google Chrome, and you can use any browser you prefer. And then I will type PyCharm. After typing PyCharm, I will press enter. When I press enter, we have a link. When I click on this link will take us to the official website and where we can download and install the program. As I scroll down, I see two versions of the PyCharm. The first version is PyCharm Professional and the second version is PyCharm Community Edition. So the PyCharm Community Edition is free, so I will click on this download button. When I click on it, the download will start. You will notice a progress bar showing the downloading status, confirming that it's in progress. Once the downloading is finished, I will double click on it. When I double click, a pop-up window asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will click yes. This opens the setup window where I will click next and I will click again next button. After clicking on these checkboxes, I will click on this next button, and after that I will click on this install button. The installation will take a few seconds, and once it's done, Python will be ready to use. After that, I will click on this finish button, and after installation I will go to the start button, and in the search bar I will type PyCharm, and now I will double click on it and I will select skip import, and then another pop-up window will appear, and I will choose the option which is new project to create a new project, and after that click on this option. This is the create option. When I click on this create option, this window will appear, and in this window I have a button Python project 6. I will right click on it. When I right click, I have a new option. In this option, I will choose the Python file. For example, I'm going to write program and I will press enter, and you will see now program.py is displayed. And here is to test this one, I will click in print function must be in lowercase, and then parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis I will write hello world, and then I will click on this run button. When I click on this run button, you will see on our output window, hello world is displayed. So it's me, Python is successfully installed and running on our system. Thanks for following along. Now that PyCharm is ready, you can start building your Python project. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.